What's up, guys? I'm Jeff, and this is my son.
True.
The name of our show is called True Legacy Builders. We definitely want to show you guys how we create Bonnie, what we do Bonnie Time. It's going to be a lot of great content. We are going to be building bikes. Well, first we're going to start off with changing the tire. We're going to rebuild a go-kart. And
a bike on a bike.
Yes, and we're going to rebuild some bikes.
And motorcycles.
Because I'm not too sure about that yet, but we're going to start off.
Skateboards.
So my son wants to do everything. We can definitely try to, get
cars. Malibu. Whitney. Let's do challenges.
We want to do challenges as well, but we haven't figured out exactly what kind of challenge we want to do.
I know. Hot sauce into the plate, and then you dip the Cheetos, and then you get you get something to put on your eyes, and then you dip it in your plate, and then you eat it.
That sounds very disgusting. My favorite YouTube channel is United by Trucks.
My favorite channel is Ryan. Ryan Mystery Playdate. Every single day I get on phones and I watch little kids do their videos, and I was born ready to do this video. So when we go out there, you better not be acting up. Garage rules mean don't play, don't run around, don't even play music or play race cars, don't play basketballs.
Who made these rules? Did you make these rules? Rules sound very boring. And then the last rule, no yelling. So the best thing about the garage is I like to play a little bit, but when I get to working on stuff, I get my glasses, I get to cut, I get everything. I got a lot of tools in there, hammers, wrenches, and power drills and all that stuff. But we're gonna be showing you how to change the tire off a Malibu. That's correct, son. We're gonna show you guys how to change the tire on a Chevy Malibu. So let's go outside to the garage and change the tire.
Don't. Hey guys, this is our garage.
See, grab the lug wrench. Yep.
Okay, they get it to stick. I know it's a little bit hard, but it's now not hard for me.
First, we're going to get the caps off. Which way do we go when we want to loosen something? Remember, left to loose, right to tight. You got it?
Yeah. Got it.
So which way are we going now?
Left.
Correct.
Tool card is
It's a four-way lug wrench, but we might have to get something else because that is not working.
I'm about to get it all the way up.
Hold on, sir.
Okay.
Come over here first. True, come over here first. This over here. So now what we have to do?
You gotta take these things off.
And what are those called?
Lug nuts.
The lug nuts, correct. And which way are we going to go to get it off?
Left.
Exactly. So, because left is to what? Loose, right?
Loose.
Correct, come on. Put some muscle into it. There you go. All right, that's one.
Yes.
Two. Come on. No, let's take this one off. Yep.
Yes. Three.
Man, you're strong.
Yes. Four. What about this?
Good job, T. No, don't take them all the way off. All right, so now we gotta jack the car up.
Okay. The jack car.
Where's your safety glasses?
Oh, the safety glasses.
Yeah.
The safety glasses right here.
Put your safety glasses on.
Safety first.
Safety glasses because I'm about to go under the car and I want to look under the car and do all of those.
I guess that's a good reason. But you need safety glasses to protect your eyes. And come here, let's jack the car up.
Okay.
Gotta jack the car up first to get the tire off. Good job, T. Alright, that's good. Now let's get our jack stand. We gotta put our jack stand under. And why do we put the jack stand under?
Because you need it to stand.
Okay. But it's going to keep the car from falling on us. So let's take the tire off. Let's see. Hold on, we gotta get the lug nuts off first. We'll take these two off. Your hands are dirty. Look at that. Put this one over there. Yeah, right there. Now, the tire is ready to come off. Oh man, look at you. There you go. Look at that.
I have to put the tire back on.
So, what we're gonna do now is line the hose up with the studs. You know how to do that?
Yep.
Let's do that.
Easy.
Okay, show us. Man, you are the man, T. Look at that, that's perfect. Alright, pass me a lug nut. Okay. You got it, flip it around. Flip it around. Yeah, there you go. Right to tight and left to loose, right? Let's put on another lug nut.
I'll do that one, Dad.
This one.
But what you said?
No, this one. Put this one. Put it right here. Right here. Correct.
What about this one?
We will.
Or this one or this one?
We will. Right to tight and left to loose. There you go. Yeah. What I usually use is when I'm by myself, I just usually use this and just swing it. But since I want to show my son right to tight and left to loose, it's the reason why we're putting it on by hand. Putting the lug nut on by hand. Keep your safety glasses on.
I can't see one.
You want to get your eye poked out?
Poked out. Let's go tight.
All right.
Right, go loose.
All right, so let's tighten them up with our wrench here. Now, I'm sure there is a specific torque pounds that you're supposed to use when you put the lug nuts on, but we're going to use grown man straps. T, where you going? I can't help you. Oh, your hand's already there. So when I jack up on the car a little bit, I want you to remove the jack stand, okay?
Okay.
All right. Good job, dude. All right, now we still have to tighten the lug nuts up. Oh man, all right, next one.
Left is unloose and right is tight.
Good job. Now we have to put the hubcap on. Put the hubcap on. No, hold on. You have to line the valve stem hole with the valve stem. See, look. True. You see the hole? You have to line the hole up. Valve stem. There you go.
So more of these videos.
Tighten up these caps. Let's finish the cap.
Hey, Dad.
That's good. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and tune in for our next project. We're going to be restoring the go-kart. We're going to paint it and maybe replace the tires. So
And we're gonna do some more videos.
Alright, y'all, bye.
Next time.